Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest account. So you need to open your Google browser and type your Pinterest. So this is the uh, link and you can see first a link here, so go for it. Okay, wait for a second and you can see get your next. You can okay, whatever. And then if you don't have any account, then you'll go for this sign up, and if you have then go for login. So I don't have any account, so I'll just go for sign up. And now I have to enter my email address here. Okay, now you have to put here a password. Okay, so come done. Then add your birth date, month and year. Okay, so you can create a Pinterest account with your Facebook ID here. Otherwise you can add your account with email. So I'm just doing with email. Go for continue. Okay, wait for a second. So you can see it's almost done, and go for next. And if you male, then go for male, or if you are female, then go for female and choose your language. So I'm just keep it here, and now you have to pick 5 or more things that you're interested. So I'll just keep flowers, skincare and beauty, health, clothes, music. And okay, now go for meet you. Okay, then done. Okay, so it's done. So your account has been created, and you can go with this drop down section and go for your ID. And now you can add your profile picture and add anything whatever you want. So I'm not doing this now. So guys, this is how you can create Pinterest account. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.